Hello friends, welcome to Explore YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial video we'll learn about one of the best websites names PassFab for you guys. Reason being you might be working in different industries from private to government sectors and you have to prepare and maintain a lot of Excel data. Further you have to save and secure your data so it could not be copy and paste by someone else as well as it won't be able to read by someone else. Reason being you have protected your sheet with password. And we just speculate, friends, you might have forgot your password and you would like to recover your file because it's quite significant for you and for your work as well. So here what you have to do is you have to visit on this website passfab, and you can see here on the password recovery filter you have to click on passfab for Excel underneath the heading office password. And once you click over here you end up on this page, and you can find here a brief information about what is passfab for Excel. And it has provided information that it will provide 100% success rate to recover your password protected file of Excel, and it won't damage your data. The real value PassFab has provided for recovering the protected password is it has shortened the time to recover password from few seconds to few minutes, as well as it's been using its own inbuilt algorithm password recovery, which is quite easier than ever before. It has only provided services for Windows, not for Mac laptop user. Friends, further we'll discuss three parameters it will use to recover passwords. So once you click on free trial, it will start downloading the free trial version over here, and you have to install it. You would like to buy their paid services, you have to click on the buy now button, and here you will find three of the offers being provided by PassFab. And once you get finalize your offer you just have to click on the button. And in case you are in your own country, and right now it's been provided its services in dollar, but you will find it has converted dollar into rupees over here if you are in India. And to buy this service you have to provide your email, first name, last name, and country, as well as the car details. First parameter is dictionary attack, where it provides its inbuilt services or customer dictionary to recover the password. And the second one is brute force with mass attack, where you remember some part of your password and not the whole one. But in the third option, brute force attack, here you have to try all the combinations and you have to click on recovering password. Screen you can see three steps to recover your Excel password file. So let me show you how it recovers in real. So I have just played this small video over here, and you can see here a person has to open his or her file, but it's been password protected file, so it won't be able if you don't know the right password. So what happens, I have opened passfab for Excel over here. As I mentioned, it's been downloaded earlier. Then I have to click on either of the options and I have to upload my file, and here I have to select it, either of the options in 3-1, and then click on recover. Once I click on recover, you can see here it's just taking a little bit time depending on the password confidentiality or complexity. So here the password is being recovered and it's been copied now, and now just open the file and paste it over there, and I am able to open my file. So you have seen now I have opened this password for Excel, and you can see these two options over here, and you have to click on either of the options. For instance, I click on recover Excel open password, and then I have to bring my file over here, and I have to choose any of the options over here, and then I have to click on recover. It might take few minutes depending on the complexity of the password. So I have pasted my password over here, friends, and then I click on OK, and you can see here I have recorded my file instantly, and I find this password website very helpful. Friends, if you would like to open your Excel spreadsheet online, then you have to visit over here on this website, which I selected over here in the search bar. Is www.password-find.com. Then you end up on this page, and here you will find unprotect your file. You have to click over here. Will come up to the next page and click on browse. You have to select your file and click on open, and you just have to wait for a few seconds to make the file to be uploaded. So it's been uploaded right now. So here you get two options. You would like to remove your password or you would like to find your password. Either of the options you can click and then hit on next step. Friends, that's how you can find your forgotten protected password of Excel spreadsheet or worksheet through passweb online or passfind.com. Now friends, you can see here over here, if I click on password recovery, I would be able to find some other multiple services being provided by passweb. To have a look over here, I just open this filter and you can find another services where you can unlock your phone, either it is iPhone or Android phone. Similarly, you can convert your files from PDF to Word, Excel, PPT, whatsoever, and from Word, Excel to PDF. Similarly, one of the best services they have provided is screen recorder. For instance, you are preparing lecture for yourself or for your students for college, school, university, or for training purpose. You can use their screen recording services for free trial basis as well. You can use the paid services as well. So that's how PassFab has provided multiple services free of cost and in paid version. I hope you like this video, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explore YouTube channel, and please share this video as much as you can. So whosoever is being looking for this kind of services, they can find it on PassFab. Thank you, friends, for watching this video.